siya masarap, wag na!
Sana all masarap!
Let's do episode
4.
Okay, hindi tayo nagbago ng araw. Wow! Hindi tayo nagbago ng araw, pero mag-move on tayo sa topic kasi gusto na natin ma-resolve. This is for our friends who experience sigbin attacks, as we call it. Ito yung mga nabiktima ng mga karumal-dumal ng mga animal. Okay, grabe yung pagkahan. Mga animal kaya!
Saka take note, native in the Philippines. Siyempre ba na yung kanila?
Folklore, na-exist pa sila sinaunong pa ng grabe naman. Hindi ko alam, kasalanan naman to. Kasi tinawag ng mga Gen Z sila ng mga sigbin because they suck out the life out of another person's heart. So this is our local, this is our local vampire.
Vampire, right?
But the question is, syempre di ba sa ibang mga teleserye, even mga vampires, there's such a thing as love can change them. The big question is, can true love's kiss make the sigbin ayuman again? But in Philippine folklore kasi, kailangan niya malunok yung orasyon niya.
Kasi merong, binigyan ko siya ng konting lore si Jack. So, merong family, sa isang version ng lore ng sigbin, may family na tawag sa kanila sigbinan. And yung sigbinan na yun, they keep the sigbin in a vase. And they have like,
the actual entity in a vase.
Yeah.
That's a sigbin. Then in Philippine folklore, a sigbin is supposed to be kept in a vase.
Hagis mo ba?
Tapos parang they can summon the sigbin
with a book, with a booklet.
A booklet of orations, ganyan. Tapos kapag nilunok nun, mawawala na yung sigbin. But hindi ko alam.
At tanong, paano mo mapapalunok sa sigbin yung orasyon?
No. One of the family members said them.
Oh!
Yeah! So meron siyang parang collateral. A life for a life.
So the question is, will you be, kumbaga parang that's true love skills, kung lulunok kayo, can you really love a person enough to fix that person? We're not limited to he or she, ha? We're not limited to he or she. Kumbaga, a sigbin per se, character that we encountered or we've dealt with in life can
tsaka that's
love
or sacrificial ng ibang tao.
Oo nga, martyr. Martyrdom at its finest. Unahin ko na yung sarili ko. For me, like, once upon a time, I believe that maybe love can change a person. Na I feel like, kasi ang paniniwala ko, or hindi ko alam kung illusion siya, I cannot identify, but I probably learned that people operate from a certain degree of pain. Right? So if people operate from a certain degree of pain, my belief at that moment before was, baka naman kapag minahal mo siya at hindi na niya maramdaman yung pain na nararamdaman niya, is maging okay siya forward. Ganon kasi ako before. So later on, after being bit so much by all these sigbins, I came to a conclusion that probably hindi enough yung kahit, kasi binigay ko na yung lahat ng klaseng pagmamahal na alam ko or I grew up with, that I am filled with, na for me, that's how I know, as a receiver, that's how I can feel that I am loved. So I also gave the same kind of love that made me feel love to other people. And nung nabigay ko na yon, hindi pa rin naging enough. I still got bitten. So I feel like it wouldn't fix him. And I wouldn't lunok-lunok the orasyon book for them anymore.
Yeah.
Kasi before, feeling ko ginawa ko yun.
I feel like.
Oo, sa personality ko, feeling ko gagawin ko talaga siya. Pero parang siguro sabi ko nga sa yun, naubos na ako in a way na parang ito na siguro yung era of boundaries and limitations. I hope.
Pero you don't need to raise those parang repercussions ba? Yung caution, maging ganun ka-cautious in the first place, kung hindi red flag yung asawa mo. Maganda, kaya mo lang siya ngayon kailangan iwasan kasi
nagkaroon na ako ng reference ng red flag.
Pero you don't need to do that in the first place kung tamang tao yung
Or, hindi pa natin ma-define na tamang tao, or nagpakita siya as if tamang tao siya. Illusion pala yung nakikita ko na that's also one. So, ako, I believe now that I cannot fix it. It has to be them who has
to agree.
For me, it has to be them to be able to fix their own insecurities, their own damages, brokenness, whatever you wanna call it. Kung ano man nangyayaring kababalakan sa kanila, bakit sila naging sigbin, kung di nila maintindihan kung aso ba sila or anong klaseng hayop ba sila. Nasa sa kanila yon. They have to choose it. And I feel like the one who makes lunok the orasyon is the sigbin themselves. Should be the sigbin themselves kasi hindi ko naman perfectly ma-identify what's going on in someone else's head, even you.
Yeah.
Because I'm not that person. And the only person who will know themselves truly is ourselves. Diba? So for me, no. So for me, ang message ko for the fellow ladies is, no, you cannot fix them. Ito i-round about na natin.
Go.
100% agree. Ganun lang yun eh. Kasi kaya nga diba sabi ko, you don't have to consider those things to begin with if you are with, ideally, the right person. Mararamdaman mo siya napaka-nuance ng mga bagay. Minsan, akala mo, alam mo na, minsan hindi rin pala. So parang, kung ikaw yung magbabago, tutulungan mo siya, hindi talaga yun. So sariling ano mo yun.
So no then?
No. Kasi self-discovery mo yun eh. Kailangan ituro ko pa sa'yo yung
sobrang baby naman yun, di ba? Ituturo pa paano mag-character develop. Pwede guide.
Yeah.
Pwede guide na parang...
But there are things to consider. May sakit siya or... You know what I mean?
May sakit sa utak.
I mean...
Not impossible, kumbaga.
Yeah, exactly.
It's not impossible na baka...
Hindi siya aware. So, ang coping mechanism niya is to destroy someone else's situation.
Pwede. Actually, good point yung kay Jared.
Kasi maraming may mga mindset na, naghirap ako, dapat sila rin.
Yeah.
Kaya parang, ba't pa acting na acting ako?
Siya yung nag-lock.
Hindi ka, na-feel mo yun?
Hindi. Actually, baby pa ako. Wala pa akong masyadong experience sa relationship.
May naging reference na to eh.
Wala.
So basically, it's a no for me.
It's a no. Ikaw, Jazz.
It's also a no for me. I feel like, kasi as the mother figure of my circle of friends, parang gusto nila kasi to be the savior of their partners, ganun.
Kaya siya nagiging, we hope that true love's kiss is, parang love will be enough. I can fix him.
Oo, kaya parang talagang nagiging strict na talaga ako sa kanila na hindi ka therapist yan. Yung talaga yung
sana nakilala ko si Just para pagsabihan niya.
Kung tanong makikinig ka ba?
Ayun! Isa pa yun. Kasi
isa pa yun, when you're in love kasi, you're actually blind. Sabi nila, love is blind. Love is blind. It pays to have a friend who would slap you in the face like Jazz. And slap you out of
remember, as an
katotohanan.
Aquarian, napaka-contrarian natin. So kung ano yung sinabi, hindi mo gagawin.
Pero feeling ko kasi parang kapag entrapped ka nga with all the love bombs and everything, you're under a spell eh. So feeling ko nasasabi lang natin yan ngayon or nasasabi lang yan kasi we're already free from the spell. So I think the next challenge is, so it's a no. No.
Triple no.
O tatlo na po yung vote sa amin. You cannot change a sigbin. You cannot change him. Do not change him. Focus on yourself. So siguro in conclusion, will bring us
It's not somebody else's job to fix you.
It's not your job to fix somebody else.
Yeah, that's it. Ganon pala.
It's not your job to fix your partner. What your job is to actually heal yourself and fix yourself. Ibig sabihin, papunta na tayo dun sa part na we have to be consistent in loving ourselves. I feel like, it's a good resolution for the whole series na parang this should all go forward to loving yourself. And the first step, sinabi na natin, na forgive na natin yung sarili natin for falling for a sigbin. Sige na, let the sigbins be the sigbins. But it will be, though it's not your choice kung ano yung gawin nila sa'yo, though it's also not your responsibility na gawin ka nilang biktima ng kasigbin-sigbin mo, it's your responsibility to love yourself. Or at least ako, I feel like, you need to be secure with yourself, especially your own truth, so you can give all. Kasi I think like, kung na-biktima ka man ng sigbin like me, it would be unfair for the next one if you would still, use your past pain. So you have to heal that from the root of it. Ergo, we also need to understand the sigbins dynamics to be able to accept the fate na sinapit ng mga nabiktima ng sigbin. Kumbaga, so healing comes, with healing also comes revisiting the process where, linking your question kanina na, it's more manageable na. It's not mercurial anymore pag binabanggit mo sa akin or i-trigger ako. It's more manageable in this way na at least ang priority ko as of now, this is a personal opinion, na as of now, ang priority ko is to give things to myself that makes me happy.
For the sigbins in particular, never parang cultivate that muscle to yung parang victim card all the time.
Oo.
Parang lahat tayo.
For the sigbins to, for the sigbins.
Always acknowledge. Kasi usually,
That you're a sigbin.
always acknowledge your wrongs. Pag hindi mo kaya yun, then you have a problem.
And we will salute you if you at least acknowledge your wrongs. But we will not glorify you for that.
Ano yung pattern of behavior mo? Paano kung ma-heal on your own? Pag hindi mo, hindi ka nag-start
And
sa...
probably that's how you break the pattern. And sigbins usually have a pattern. And unless nga they can lunok the orasyon themselves, then the pattern will always continue. So the next victim will also experience the same one na not-experience or even worse nung una.
Sana nandun man lang kayo.
Sana
Hindi ko sasabihin kami. Sana nandun lang man lang kayo para ma-warningan yung susunod. Kaso kaya talagang
wala. Ganun talaga. We all learn from experience.
Be a cycle breaker.
Break the chains.
Yeah.
By loving yourself. So, I think we should end the series here and focus on self-love already. So, thank you so much sa panandaliang
Hindi pwede yun!
Sa pananandaliang pakisama na sigbin encounters namin. So, I hope yung mga nabiktima ng sigbin or yung mga bibiktimahin pa lang, we have shared insights na kahit papaano ay hindi kayo malagay sa alanganin. So, good luck na lang. God bless. And thank you! Thank you! Subscribe!
Just keep moving forward. And just in case someone breaks your heart badly, do not be hard on yourself. You are human. It's okay if the feeling gets overwhelming. Feelings demand to be felt. It's not your choice that you got hurt. But you can also consider forgiving yourself for allowing the things that led you to this pain you're struggling to process. Just be you. Give yourself some credit for making small steps towards your healing. There's no perfect or linear process for it. Cry if you need to and let your emotions flow. Know thyself enough so that in this journey you can find things you need to unlearn so you could avoid the pain. Just love you. Do everything that makes you happy. Be that warm hug you always hope for. Fill your cup and live fully until it overflows. Never forget to love yourself in every way you deserve. You are always more than what you think of. Because remember, within us all is the heart of a warrior.